Here we go, I can get his tail. Oh, what's going on, guys? We're out here today, and I'm in a bush. Oh, you may be asking, why are you in a bush, Derek? And I can't answer that question because I don't know. I just saw a giant snapping turtle in here, and I was just bringing this down here, not the leaf. That's a leaf, not what I was bringing. There's plenty of those around here. I was bringing a piece of rotted pork, yeah, that's what that is, attached to a 30-pound monofilament. And, well, I was going to do some limb lining. But anyway, let's go ahead and get you guys turned around and catch a turtle. A little bit of aqua parkour going on here. I don't even know if that's a thing, but I'm going to make it a thing. He was sitting right here on the edge right here, so he was feeding. He was sitting right where this deep comes up to the shallow, waiting for a minute to swim over. Just going to drop it right into that deep spot. So I'll just leave it right there, I guess. Let it sink all the way to the bottom. We'll just kind of let that go right there and tie right here. All right, that should be good. Now let's just sling it in there and hope for the best. All right, I got it. It's all the way down to the bottom now. We're good. We're set. Let's go ahead and get you guys up. Just kidding. Yeah, see you guys in the morning. All right, guys, it's out here. Whoa, okay, I'm way too tired for this. Anyway, yeah, we're down here trapped. We're checking it. Hopefully we have something. A stick. That is what we have. So anyway, I'll see you guys in, I don't know, I'll see you eventually. Alright guys, well, if you saw the last turtle limb lining video, you saw that I caught that little one. And, well, it was right here. And, well, it turns out we caught another one. But this time, different story. Let's just go over here, look at it, and see what it is. You can see it's all muddy because of the turtle. So, yeah. Now let's come over here and see if we can get him out without losing fingers. Because that would be horrible. There he is. That thing is huge. I'm going to guess at least 20 pounds. He is big. I hope he don't try to bite me because he could probably bite through my boot, to be honest. But yeah, I was just, you know, coming back from checking that limb line, thinking, oh man, we didn't catch that massive snapping turtle. And then I get back here and we caught another massive snapping turtle. And I am going to take this guy back. I'm not really for sure if I'm going to eat him yet, but, you know, I might. He's definitely big enough to. So, yeah, let's get this dinosaur out of the creek and look at him. Now let's see if we can get him untangled without losing a finger. Or 3. Look at this. Alright guys. We have the snapping turtle in here. And I just brought him in here to let him soak in water and to wash off. Right, here's his head. It's a good thing I didn't just reach down there. I thought that was his tail. And I'm not going to keep him long because I don't think I'm going to eat him. I'm just keeping him long enough to where I can get this line out of his mouth or he gets it out himself. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn him back loose into the wild. And yeah, because he is a big turtle. Let me see if I can get a hold of him. But I weighed him and he weighed out at 22 pounds. Gave him some little dead minnows to eat. Alright guys, well it's been probably a week and a half. And well, this is going to be hopefully a catch and cook video, but I'm not going to catch and cook this one as much as I'd like to, because it is like a huge turtle. It's 22 pounds when I weighed it. Yeah, I'm not going to cook this one because, well, he's like the biggest one in the creek. So, yeah, I don't want to kill him because, well, that's probably the breeding stock. So, I'll go ahead and go turn this guy loose and go catch another. Well, let me just show you. We're back down where we caught him, actually, so we want to turn him right in the right spot. And I'm going to show you guys this. Oh, yeah. That is so much pressure. I can feel it in my foot through these rubber boots. And put him in the water and watch him go away. Go ahead, skedaddle. You're free. That is a big turtle. Right back up where he came from. Alright guys, we're actually down here where I've been trying to trap a turtle, and I found one. It's small, but it might be a good eating size. And it's not on the line, so I gotta reach down and grab it. It might be too small, but that's okay. We'll catch it anyway. Got him. There we go. Oh no, he's a little dude, but I still got him. Yeah, he's definitely not eating size. Let's let him bite me. Oh wow, he's a little vicious dude. I'm just going to turn this guy loose. Let him do what he wants to do and stuff. I don't know where he's going. There he goes. Adios, senor. Alright guys, it's been a few days and I'm actually down here at, well, a fishing spot that I always do. And I've always thought this would be a good spot to like catch turtles at. So we're going to try it. I've got a set here and well, it won't focus and it's kind of dark already. So we'll just go ahead and get going before it gets too dark. Let's sling that sucker in there just about like that. And I'm going to tie it around one of these branches sticking out right here that doesn't look movable. And I'm going to tie this real quick and then I'll be back with you because I got to use both hands. We're good to go. We'll be back with you when we catch something. Alright guys, it is in fact the next day and we're down here at the trap. I'm about 90% sure we got one because, well, the line's going crazy. And I don't think a fish could be that big. So let's go ahead and get over here and check this trap out. Let me see if I can... Oh, yep, there he is. Let me see if I can get him with the stick. There we go, there we go. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's a nice one. That's a nice turtle. I thought he was small. That was a big one. There we go. No, come here. You gotta get on the land, boy. Hey, no, no. Oh, he's going crazy. He said, nope, I ain't getting in there. Oh, there we go. Get some of that little bite action going on. Oh, yeah, he hates me. Do I blame him? No, he's a turtle. I guess they're kind of designed to hate people. Come here. Come here, boy. Here we go. I can get his tail. Oh. This is like the most vicious turtle I've ever seen. Alright, he's in the bucket. Let's put a lid on this sucker and cut the line. Or, you know, tries to eat me or something. Alright. We got us a little bucket full of turtle. No, that's skedaddle. Alright guys, we are out here. It is... I lost track of time. I have no clue when it is. But I do know I have a turtle right here. And I almost stuck my hand near his mouth. That would be bad. But anyway, you know, he's just chilling right here on top of well, Mr. Cluck. He's just kind of sitting in there. He's chilling too. But yeah, I kind of had to separate him from the flock. He was being mean stuff, you know. But anyway, that's besides the point. We got a turtle here. We're going to do us a turtle catch and cook. So let's go ahead and butcher this sucker up. And just a, you know, a fair warning, this is definitely going to be pretty graphic. I'm going to time lapse the actual skinning process. So that might not be that graphic, but you'll still see it. It's just going to be fast. All right, we're good. We got the guy dispatched, and well, let's go ahead and get to skinning, and then we get to the... What the heck was that? We get to the part of eating, and yeah, let's go ahead. Oh! Alright guys, we got this turtle skinned out, processed and everything, and well, we got it, all the meat in here, and I actually buried the shell and the claws down there, so they kind of get all the skin and stuff off of them. But anyway, we'll go ahead and go cook this stuff up, and yeah, we'll see you there. Alright guys, we got some ingredients here. We got the turtle meat, and that's been soaking in salt water for the last few hours. Whole kernel corn. We got 1 potato. Yeah, I know, that's all I had in my garden. We got some seasonings here, some Old Bay, Creole, garlic. We got some okra, some cheddar cheese, which is just, you know, balling here. Not even going to be in our recipe. And then we got some tomato juice that's in the blender, and we've actually got to blend this up some more, so, well. Okay, I'm sorry for headphone users. And I think first we got to cut this up. Wield my sword of death. It's actually just a knife. I'm just kidding. And we're going to go ahead and dice this up and, yeah, get it in the pot. And, yeah, there's like, I think it's 12 different types of meat on a turtle. And, yeah, that's like how chicken has dark meat and white meat. This is like 12 different types. There's like a type of meat for each part of the body. Alright, we got it all chopped up. And now we're going to go ahead and season it with some Cajun seasoning, some seafood seasoning, and some garlic powder. So let's go ahead and dump it in here. And like I said, I only have one potato, but you know what? We're not going to let that bring us down. I'm going to just call this soup one potato soup. Boss this baby up. Probably going to turn to complete mush in the soup, but that's okay, I guess. Look at that. I'm like, I don't know, Bobby filet or something. I'm going to break up this okra. It's been frozen for, I don't know, a little bit. I'm just going to mix it up with the potatoes. You don't have to do this. I'm just bored, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. Break that sucker up and get rid of the juice. Oh, a whole can of corn, boys. To help saute this, I'm actually going to put some honey in. Now I'm going to go ahead and take all these vegetables and just dump in on it. Yeah, look at that juicy goodness. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this stuff simmering and let it set overnight. Now let me see if I can figure out how to work this like fast cooker pressure thingy. This looks like one of them things from like a infomercial.
This is 5 pounds of wings.
In 15 minutes.
This is 5 pounds.
Let's go ahead and pour the tomato sauce in. Alright guys, we're out here. It is in fact the next morning. And well, we got us a bowl of the turtle soup. Oh yeah, I guess it's still turtle soup. But I called it one potato soup like a boss. And we're out here, you know, just kind of chilling with the chickens. Never tried this particular turtle soup. And that's because, well, I just went to my kitchen last night and just threw a bunch of stuff together and said it was good. Oh wow. That's good. I'll let it like cook all night. And the turtle is not chewy at all. Usually whenever you eat a turtle, what I would have done differently though was add more okra because, well, it would have been better that way. Well, anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, let me know by leaving a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and go enjoy me some turtle soup. And yeah, thanks for watching. The view is greatly appreciated. I'll see you guys later.